morning, actually. Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? I forgot that I'm streaming in the morning today and I'm not streaming in the afternoon like I've been doing. How is everybody doing? How was everybody's? We didn't stream yesterday, so how was everybody's weekend? How we all feeling? Guys, how am I sounding? Can I get a sound check up in here? I got a whole new studio set up that we got going on here. So, listen, man, Bitcoin is dumping. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about market cipher. We're going to talk about the current market's health condition because it ain't too hot, man. It ain't too hot. This thing ain't looking good. You know, on my YouTube channel, I've been talking about I've been giving the warnings, man. I've been giving warnings. And yesterday, listen, I'm going to be the first to say, yesterday I was long and I made a video saying that I went long and I got stopped out on this long. So, very much so, I got stopped out, okay? But at the same time, I mean, look, the warnings, man. We've had weakness for quite some time, and we're going to talk about it here. We're going to talk about this box, which I think we might get a little bit of an interesting reaction off of should we make it down there. And we're going to go through the whole thing. But before we do that, of course, I need to say hello to my people because we haven't streamed in like 3 days, and I miss y'all, man. What's up, Philip? How you doing? Says second, why are you guys not up on my chat here? Let us solve that problem right now. What's up? There we go. What's up, Philip? How you doing? Mario says third. Can't watch the live stream. We'll watch it later tonight. Well, Mario, later in the future. Mario in the future. Hello, sir. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Rahard is in the chat. What's up, brother? Same with you. If you're going to watch the recording later, I will catch you a little bit later. Hopefully, Bitcoin is in the direction that we're trading towards in the future. All right, Ben says he called 67.2 and 65.2 giga short despite the market cipher B printing the 4-hour bull div. Let's go. Big shout out to Ben, man. Congratulations. We also called one of the swing shorts here that we had going on. Let's see. Now, full disclosure, I'm not still short from here, but we definitely had this in mind with our target to come and take this low. So this short is doing well for the ones that are still in it. I'm not still in it, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? James says, do I still live in Miami? Or do I live in Miami? No, I don't, man. I wish. I'm planning on moving to Miami, hopefully within the next, like, 2 years. Hopefully by the end of the year. Like, within 1 year, I want to live. But by, like, March of next year, I want to live in Miami. But I gotta figure it all out. What's up, Sayin is in the chat. What's up, brother? He says, how are we all doing today? Let's get it. Sayin is one of our advanced TA traders in the VIP Discord. Free Russ in the chat. What's poppin', brother? Senor Green. How are you, my friend? Robert Jones. Better pizza than crypto. Do I use stairs to get on that bike? I do. Thank you for actually funny that you said that because literally the bike was too tall for me. Like I was falling all over the place. Whenever I had to I was on the sidewalk and there were people in the way and I had to slow down or whatever and I couldn't go. So the bike lost its balance. Like I literally almost fell because I genuinely couldn't reach the floor. And I'm going to feed into your chirp here. Okay. I'm going to feed into your roast. I bought a chair off of Amazon. And I'm not joking, I literally couldn't touch the ground. So I had to return it. True story. Chad says Geo uses a stair climber to get on his floor treadmill. I use the Stairmaster to get on my treadmill. That's a really funny one, man. Shout out to Jet. Spark says Geo's the only man that can dump harder than BTC. Actually, we haven't had one of those quick dumps on stream in a long time. Pickle Gang, what's up, Nonstop Ty? What's up, Matt? How you doing? Sprex in the chat, Robert Jones. All right, guys, so let's talk about it, man. Gramps is in it short. Beautiful, beautiful. NBF Forum, what is poppin', my friend? All right, guys, as usual, man, if you like the content, make sure you hit the like button. My name is Gio. If you are new here, if you're returning, welcome back. And full disclosure, hello, disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio's an incompetent 5'2", 3/4 wannabe singer. Wannabe singing, non-financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And the earth is flat. So if your discretion is advised, guys, nothing I say is going to mean anything because I have no idea what I'm talking about. I have no idea how to trade. I longed yesterday and I got stopped out. So why on earth would you listen to me? Shouts out to the sponsor, Market Cipher. All right, let's get into what's going on with Bitcoin. All love, my boy. All love. All love. All right, let's talk about what's going on with BTCC, man, because there's a lot going on here, okay? There's a lot going on, but there's nothing that happened, which is kind of interesting. But let's talk about it, okay? So, man, this is gonna sound redundant, but we're gonna sound redundant here because Bitcoin's giving us no choice. Okay, it's not even I don't even need that much time to explain all of the nothing that's been going on, but we can explain it. Okay, Macroly, we're in a range. You know that when you're in a range, you should be looking to long the lows and you should be looking to short the highs. That we already know. Yesterday, I made a video on my YouTube channel stating and making myself look foolish. I'm long on Bitcoin and here is why. And we were absolutely long on Bitcoin at a very key level. Guys, all last week, I was talking about this 1 hour order block, okay? All last week. And myself and everybody else in the Discord waited an entire week for that. What do you mean wrong mic? Don't tell me wrong mic. What do you mean wrong mic? Am I in the right mic? No, man, I should be in the right mic. Test. Mic test. Mic test. Yeah, I'm definitely in the right mic, bro. What are you talking about? Most likely the Monday after the next one. Unlucky one. Non-financial advice. Do your own research. Yeah, shouts out to Mickey. All right, listen. So I went long, okay? We had a nice reaction off of this 1 hour order block, which I was saying in my YouTube video that was the last order block prior to taking this low. Okay, we already built a case as to why we don't actually need to come and take this low, and the reason why is because we had a nice Wyckoff accumulation at the lows here, okay? Indicating that we don't actually technically need to come lower. Yo, am I tripping on the mic? What's up? Can you guys hear me or no? You guys definitely should be able to hear me, like, properly. Okay, if you couldn't, now you definitely can. 100%. Is my mic good? Zabs, you gotta let me know if the mic's good, bruv. Broski, you gotta let me know if the mic is good. No, definitely I'm good now. Okay, Mickey says mic is good. I believe... Dak said too. Okay, hold on. Is it good now? It has to be good. I just changed. It was on default anyways, but now it's definitely got to be good now. It's definitely got to be good. It's definitely got to be good. Roberts is perfect. Mike is okay. Can hear. Yes, we can. You might be Mac Mike. I don't think so, bro. Hold on. No, I definitely don't think so. Hold on. Okay, anyways, I don't know. I'm gonna carry on because if it's a Mac mic, I'll look into it later. I have a whole new studio set up, but I just changed it. Anyways, we should be good. Okay, so listen. We were talking about this last order block that we had in this very important key zone. And guys, we just lost that key zone. Not only did we lose the key zone, but when we did get our high, we SFP'd it. Now, again, I made a public video yesterday saying that I was targeting these highs, okay? And the reason I'm targeting these highs is just because whenever we have a range, we should be looking to long the lows of the range. And yesterday, when we did come into that 1 hour order block, as I mentioned in that video, we had the divergences, okay? We had the divergences and we had our spike wave divergence, right? We had money flow increasing. We had the momentum waves increasing here on Market Cipher B. So we had a spike wave right here at the lows. We entered on the confirmation of the internal market structure flip. So myself and my VIP members in the Discord were long. Now, yesterday on X, before I went to bed, right before I went to bed, I forgot the #1 rule, which is fuck Asia, okay? Asia sucks. And we all hate the Asian market makers. Anyways, I made a video, or I made a post saying, look, when I wake up, this better be 10 gazillion good night. Full disclosure, stopped out at break even. So this $1,600 did not come home, okay? Didn't come home. I got stopped out at break even, okay? And the reason why is, once again, I was targeting these highs. In addition, an additional confluence, rather, to the idea that we had to know the last order block that of significant importance, minus this guy, which we're going to talk about. But when we had this last order block and we had the market structure flip, our expectational order flow, in my opinion, was to come and take this high. If you wanted to be a little bit safer about it, you could have taken profit at this internal high. I did not, because I really didn't think that we were going to come and do this move, right? I ended up getting stopped out at entry. It is what it is. That's how the game works. I didn't expect it. Fine. But I wanted to come and take these highs. Where am I targeting now? What am I expecting for now? Well, we are at the low of the range still, and until proven otherwise, we should be looking for longs. Now, do things look good? No. Have things been looking good? No. Have I been saying that things look horrible? Yes. Are we struggling at very, I mean, every time, okay, the market oscillates like this, right? Every time it is time for the bulls to give a significant move, it's lackluster, right? We've been talking about how volume is very low relative to all the downturns, minus the move that we had yesterday, okay? Minus this little area that we had, right? So here you can see volume was completely died off when we were putting in our lower high, and then dump we had, right? As we were putting in this this divergence and the market structure flip in the last order block, we also had the volume increasing as confirmation. However, the selling pressure is just too much for the bulls, and our simple targets, like, guys, this is not very difficult liquidity to grab. Okay, this is not very difficult liquidity to grab, not in the slightest. Okay, we have all this liquidity that, okay, we swept some of it. We couldn't even take this high. Debbie didn't even come close to this guy, never even touched this range order block, but easy highs that we can come and tackle. Easy highs that we can come and tackle. Up here, easy highs that we can come and tackle. So we're absolutely looking for longs, despite this being a dump. Now, I want to talk about this order block that it appears as though we front ran ever so slightly, okay? I mentioned that we had a very important 1 hour order block, give or take, somewhere in this zone, okay? We had a nice order block here that has now been mitigated. Fine, okay? And we're going to delete this. We had a nice order block. Now, within the confinements of this order block, we had our structure flip, whatever. We already know that. Market Cipher looked good. We had one last level, one last order block that remained untapped until this low, okay? I've also been saying, guys, if we lose 61.7K, which was the low of that order block, or 62.7K, let me see. 61.7K, we're going to capitulate. Okay, I've been saying we are going to capitulate. I've been making the thumbnails. This is literally the last zone. Remember, guys, there is no reason as of right now for them to come and take this low without coming and taking this low. I've been screaming on the channel that if they take the low without taking the high, it's more macro bullish. And if they take the high without taking the low, it's more macro bearish. What I actually think might end up happening is if this bounce from where we are right now, give or take this 10-minute order block that we have, which is our last level of defense prior to the low, and I'm going to give you a clue, it's not looking too hot. Our last level of defense, if we don't bounce from here, where we're bouncing from right now, we are going to capitulate, okay? We're going to take 59K. Don't know how far we're going to wick into it. We will be looking for an SFP trade that will look something like this, but I think what I've been saying remains and stands true, and it's been especially evident for this week, for the past couple weeks, for the past few weeks, actually, since we put in this dump since these highs, and we've really struggled. You know, Bitcoin has shown real strong signs of weakness, and it just goes to my whole narrative, which is, in my opinion, don't come at me, but people are too bullish, okay? People are too bullish. People think that because of the ETFs, because of the inflows, because of this, because of that they can't just rinse you and take money out and just wreck everybody and wreck all the longs because of all these narratives and things are different. I'm going to be the first to tell you things are not different, man. Market makers have more money than than any amount of inflows that you think can come into this asset. Market makers can push price down, and they are absolutely doing so. And so we'll see what happens here. I did take a little baby scalp long that I'm up 94% on, and you know what? Just despite the recent price action, I'm going to take a little bit of profit right now. So I'm going to take half out. Just secured a couple $100. Nothing crazy, but I am going to take some out because I am very well aware of what is potentially at play here, in that we could come down and tap this order block. However, we don't technically need to. We're waiting to see our bounce. Right now, Market Cipher on the 2-hour time frame is looking like we might get that third tap, that nice spike wave divergence, and this could have been the low of the day, guys. It absolutely could have been the low of the day. So we'll see. We're gonna play it by ear, and we're gonna try to scalp this. I'm gonna try to turn this stream into a scalping session so that you guys can have an idea as to how I enter my trades, why I enter my trades, what I'm looking for when I'm entering my trades, etc. But Man, I don't know. The whole ETF thing with I was about to say King Kong. With Hong Kong. Yeah, I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see how it goes here. But in general, I still do think that despite my idea getting wicked out, right? Despite my long getting stopped out, I still do think that my order flow objective in the macro of it is spot on. I absolutely still think we're coming higher. I absolutely still think we're going to come and take these highs. The question is, do we come in SFP this low first? Do we tap into this order block, or do we bounce from here? But I do think that we're going to make our way back up to here once we start to actually attack some liquidity on the long side. And remember, on the macro of it, these longs have been still long and strong for 57 days. It's been 2 months that these guys haven't been taken out. So I will be looking for longs. Hopefully we take these lows today. Tomorrow is Wednesday, midweek reversal. We might get that pump. We'll see what happens here. We will see. All right, let's check what the chat is saying. Hear me, what's up, G? Bruiser Actual, how are you, my friend? How you doing? How was your weekend? I can hear, I don't know what they're talking about. Yeah. Shouts out to Greece. You can hear just as normal. Yeah, I think we're good. Who thinks Gio should go on American Idol? Me, easy top 10. I don't think so, man. I should be American though. I definitely should be. Mark Dutch is in the chat. What's up, Mark? How you doing, brother? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Are you short on the market? Are you long on the market? What's popping? Anyways, guys, so that's Bitcoin. I mean, we went over what happened. We got a lot of resistance above us, which we've been talking about for a hot minute. So we'll see what ends up happening here. But let's see if we can turn this into a nice scalp session. I mean, objectively, we've been talking about this. And by the way, I'm going to say this. Man. For weeks, I am the only one that is talking about these divergences, okay? Definitely I'm the only one. And everyone is saying that they're not going to, it's not going to come into fruition. It's not going to... you can't look at divergences across that far. Fine, but I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that personally. Guys, do me a solid. If you like the analysis, if you like Market Cipher, hit the like button for me, because every 100 likes, I do a giveaway as to how I find my key zones, how I enter my trades, how did I enter this current long trade that I'm in right now, up 82%. How did I enter that? So let's see if we can turn this into a little scalp session. Here on the 5-minute time frame, we did flip structure bullishly. Right, we got a nice bullish break of structure here. So let's see if we can get into a nice scalp trade together. I got my eye on this right now already, I'll tell you that. Probably the golden pocket as well. Yeah, look at that. Order block, perfect confluence with our golden pocket. So let's see if we can get a nice scalp long here. Questy, what's poppin'? Bruiser says he's great. Jab says sing. What do you want me to sing, bro? If we could get a sing in right now while we're waiting on this potential long entry. What is this, like Pokemon song? You know what I was singing right before, because you were showing me that cowboy thing? I was singing here. I'll just do it. Let's just do it while we're waiting. While we're waiting. Guys, drop some altcoins too if you want me to take a look at some of your altcoins. Today's going to be a chill session. I'm going to try to not scream because I've been screaming. Know what I'm saying? This is what I was singing, bro. Hold on. Let me show you. Wow. All right, mic check. Yeah, because Gio, right before I stream, Jabs was dropping country on me, and so right before stream. Right before the stream started. All right. Let's take a look at Gala. Let's take a look at Gala. I've actually recently started looking at Gala. Shouts out to Indexa, Old Town Road. Gala. All right, let's take a look at Gala. So this looks ugly as shit. Right, that looks horrendous. I think Gala could get a little pump here. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Yeah, I actually think Gala could get a little baby pump here. I mean, that looks horrible. That looks horrible. Let's get our EMAs on board. What are the EMAs doing? Bro, Indexa, you were spot on with the move on how Gala respects this 50 EMA. That shit's nasty. I think Gala could get a little bit of a pump here. 100%. We had a nice 1 minute flip-in market structure. We have all this liquidity to come and tackle. Should we go long right now on Gala? A little baby long? I even added it to my favorites. Let's see if we can get a nice little baby long here. Let's see if we can come down to here. I will long if we get down here. Let's check out our 15 second. Give me the box and I'll long it. We show him love if he shows some singing skills. Yeah, wannabe singer, by the way. Tommy Luck, yo, it's on JC's stream. Nice. Superior Arrow, love you all. Tommy Luck, my boy. What's my opinion on Bitcoin? I already went over that. Doge dead. It's the year of the dragon. It is the year of the dragon. Okay, let's see if we can get a little pump here on Gala. I might honestly just take it. We'll take a look at Doggy Coin as well. Let's see what Gala did. Yeah, man. Just this is so ugly, dude. This price action is gross. That price action is gross. We're in a 3-day order block. We're in a super giga buy zone. We'll see, man. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. I think market Cipher is looking okay on these kind of midterm time frames, right? We got money flow increasing over time, right? We got divergences, right? 1 hour money flow is increasing over time as we're making lows. So I think that we could get, it depends on what Bitcoin's gonna do. I think Gala could get a little push up like almost right now. I actually think Gala might get a push up like right now. Missed the short. Yeah, me too. Let's see. I'm gonna change this music. I don't like the music. It's not getting me inspired. I need to get inspired right now. Bum bum. Never buy in the middle of the block. Let's see. So what I would want to see right now for me to long Gala, target 1 like target 2. I tell you I know I'm trying to grill your waves. Let's see if we get it. Up, 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 up. It's going to range a bit. Yeah, maybe. Horrible chart looking like kitty drawing. Joe, am I using any indicator? No, I'm not using any indicators. I tell you. Come on, let's hit that order block, baby. We're so close. Hey, Gio, based on news, what is the coin that is most likely to bounce? I don't trade news, bro. I have no idea. No idea. Where's my stop loss on the long? My stop loss right now is at break even. I already took profits, so it's actually a little bit before break even. Here, this is how it looks right now. This is my long right now currently. So my entry was 67.04. I took profit already, and my stop is like just above break even. But I will look to enter here. If we can get down to this order block, I will look to enter here. So let's put an alert here. I will absolutely look to enter there. Though we might not even get that retracement. Where's my Gala? Gala's probably bouncing. There we go. Gala hit the order block. Gala hit the OB. There you go. There you go. Right off the order block, baby. Right off the order block. Right off the order block. Damn. It's going. It's going. Gala's moving. Bina di ghetto. Bina di ghetto. Remember, I wanted to see that structure flip. We're on the 15 seconds, so you know it's early. It's early. This is how we super scalp, baby. And this will be your TP. So we are not going to get a small hint on order blocks. I'm trying to get something from it for so long. Yeah, no, sorry, bro. Order blocks are the only thing that I will never give on YouTube. Everything else, I mean, all my other premium content, not in full depth, but everything else is basically on the YouTube. You just gotta go hunting for it. It's in between all the singing and all the other bullshit. Can I check render? Yeah, give me a second. I just want to see what's gonna happen with Gala. Gala. Let's actually figure out what's going on with our range here locally. I mean, this... TP1 is that high. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Hey. TP1 is the high. TTTD high is the high. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. Oh my God. Who let me out? Who let me on the internet? Who let me on the internet? TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. Who took the trade? Did anybody take that trade? Yo, I think I'm gonna start doing like some scalping sessions like live on YouTube. Because a couple of buckties think I don't trade. One is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. TP. Yo, we're running that track again. We are running that track again. Hi baby says I bought your VIP and I've never made money. Sorry. Gio, can you imitate Tino and describe BTC situation like him? That would be crazy. I could try, man. I could try. To address this though, hi baby. I mean, listen. We've been like, this hit. Where are we? This trade hit. We just the take profit. The TP was like, you know, I wanted higher. But the trade hit. This guy hit. Yeah, I also don't believe it. Hi baby's a little bit of a troll. TP1 is the high. Oh. Huh. Oh. Alright. Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin. This is hard, dude. The money flow is baked, bro. Baked. All right. Let us take a look. Okay, I'm gonna try to be Tino here. Hold on, ready? Wait. Oh, TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh, TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh, yeah, literally sorry. Like, I don't know what to tell you, man. Look. And the whole Discord is making money. Like, I don't know what to tell you. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. What's up, Crypto Mike? Crypto Mike is the high. Oh. Yeah, I'll look at AVAX. Okay. I'm gonna try to be Tino here. Ready? Watch this. I gotta think, man. I gotta think when I do a British accent. Ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin right now is doing a good job of holding the 50 and the 200 EMA. What we would want to see is the crossover right now. And we want to see them come back down towards this vector candle. You can see the green vector candle and the... Switch to a different time frame. I'm not that good at it. Shouts out Tino. I'm not that good at it, though. I'm not that good at it. You see, it's at this point in the chart that you would want... It's at this point in the chart where you would want the green vector candle to cross through the 50 EMA, targeting... Yeah, I'm not good at it, man. I'm not good at it. Robert Jones says, even if you don't pay attention, you make money in the VIP. Haters gonna hate, masters gonna bait, bro. That's all I gotta say. Haters gonna hate, masters gonna bait. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1. All right, let me check AVAX for my boy. TP1 is the high. TP1 is the high. Oh. TP1 is the high. Pander. I get broads in Atlanta. Twisting no Lee and Fanner. Credit cards and a scam. Credit cards and a scammers. By the way, guys, just for the record, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Gio, and every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. I don't just say, oh, we have a green dot or a white dot, in my case, long it. I teach you why. And for the record, I am the only YouTuber, minus Benjamin Cowan, that is saying that some of your altcoins may make new lows. I've been getting hate, man. Everybody's like, Gio, you're dumb as fuck. Bitcoin's never gonna see 50K again. Yeah. Are you sure about that? How's it looking now? How's 50K looking now? Bitch. All right, let's look at AVAX. Evacuate the dance floor. Go and handle it to show me I'm the man. Shake it on the floor like dice pon your hand. Let me see that ass roll. Roll. TP1 is the high. Oh, is the high. Oh, TP1 is the high. Okay, let's take a look at AVAX. AVAX actually looking pretty decent. I'm going to say right now. Why? Why are we looking decent? Number one, we got bullish divergences on the 1 hour, and this is a spike wave. Okay. Number two, what are even your bullish divergences? Well, we have a range. Okay. Amidst our range, you have your 1 tap, your 2 tap, your 3 tap. This is a model 1 accumulation. Your altcoins are going to move similar to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin finds its bottom here, which we have this very important box, but if Bitcoin finds its bottom, which I don't know if it's going to, okay? I'm not a fortune teller. I'm not a magician. But if Bitcoin finds its bottom here, or SFP's the 59, while AVAX, where the fuck was my AVAX? While AVAX, you know, holds in this relative area, then things will be, in my opinion, not pretty bullish, but relatively more bullish for AVAX. And I mean, all of these coins look the same, right? They all look the same. Everything dumped with Bitcoin, okay? Some kept dumping, some held kind of its ground, and AVAX kind of held its ground. But this doesn't look too far off from Bitcoin, right? So this could be our range, right? Here's our range. And we have these highs that remain intact as well, right? We have this liquidity. So this is easy liquidity. This is easy liquidity, right? We SFP'd, same thing that Bitcoin did. I would have imagined the same thing, man. We SFP'd that low. We had the structure change. I would have imagined that this would have been TP1 and this would have been TP2, which was the same case for Bitcoin, but I was just shooting for TP2 because it made way more sense to me. And then for whatever reason, they just wanted to, boom, irk it down. So, I mean, really, I would say this looks like Bitcoin. It's going to follow Bitcoin, as will the majority of the rest of the market, in my opinion, is going to follow Bitcoin. And so I still think we should be looking for longs. Just like here, right? We had a 3 tap. I don't think that we necessarily need to come back and revisit this low. We might have an order block in here or something down here to indicate lower, but I just don't. It's going to depend on what Bitcoin does, right? It's literally just going to depend on what Bitcoin does. And, you know, we'll see. We'll see. But I do think that, you know, the whole ETF thing or whatever, ETF thing in Hong Kong or in King Kong is going down right now. And so whether or not this was like a fake out to the downside is yet to be seen. But I wouldn't be surprised if it is. And remember, in order for like us to make it to our targets, to the highs, we need to really start sweeping some liquidity. And so although I don't think that we need to come back to these lows, this low would have looked much better if we SFP'd this green line, right, on Bitcoin. And so your altcoins are simply going to follow Bitcoin. So let's see what's going on right now. Right? Literally right now, Bitcoin's in the order block, right? Order block has been mitigated. If there's any time to bounce, it's now. It is now. If it's not now, down we go. And money flow ain't looking like it wants to go. I'll tell you that. We'll tell you that. Sunlight up the sky. So I hit the road in overdrive, baby. Sin City is cold and empty. So we're going to be a little bit degenerate here. We're going to watch our 5-second structure. I want to see the logo, and then I want to see this. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh. BTC to correct to 53K. I think Bitcoin could go a lot lower than 53K. Mubashir Riaz says this guy's so cringe, hard to watch with all his lady voice and singing. Okay, don't watch. Why are you here? Why are you giving me the views? He is starting well, ladies and gentlemen. Got a little bit of a move in Bitcoin. Googly eyes. All right, Bitcoin is ripping through this order block. Let's see if we get that structure change that we're looking for. This time. Think the draw is lower. Candles don't lie. 53K, then 35K. Yo. I want Bitcoin to go to 30K. That would be the best thing ever. King Kong got everybody by the legs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gorgeous short. Yep. Till I feel your touch. I'm blinded by the lights. So for this idea to be like, for me to say, all right, I think this is going to hold now, I want to see that. And this is just 15-second structure. Like, this is super degen shit. You should never, ever, ever do this. Never should you do this. The world's largest economy, Union of South American Nations, with more than 29 trillion, wants to recognize Solana. Yeah, I don't know about that, brother. Italy loves you. I love Italy, man. I love you too. I'll be fucked up if you can't be right here. Let's skip this. Let's go ahead. Go this. Yeah, yeah. Your loving hand down. Wrecked. Wrecked. Market is wrecked. Rinsed. Can I talk about ETH BTC? Let's talk about ETH BTC. Let's zoom out. Let's get off our 15-second time frame. I'm begging. All right, so ETH BTC structure down, up, down, up, down, flip bullish, retracement. No need to get super into it, but really, unless this low goes, things look more bullish than bearish. Okay, and if Bitcoin is gonna find its legs here, right? If Bitcoin is gonna find its legs here, then I imagine that ETH BTC will do something like this, and ETH is actually what you would want to be longing against Bitcoin, in my opinion. So it all depends on where Bitcoin finds its legs. But I think that in general, it's looking bullish. I mean, we were talking about ETH BTC for quite some time, right? We have a lot that we can come and recover on ETH BTC. We already know that relative to the rest of the market, Ethereum has been a little bit lackluster, right? And now that we finally have our structure flip, I think we can start getting somewhat of a retracement to these highs. In other words, when Bitcoin finds its legs, ETH is what you want to be looking at more so than Bitcoin. Can I look at render? Yeah, let's check render. But yeah, ETH BTC I think is looking pretty decent. Now against other pairs, I don't know. That I don't know. I'm begging you. Put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging. Alright, let's check render. Gio, how long did it take me to become profitable? And how can I stay focused and not fall into burnout and eating junk all the time? Okay, well, two very different questions, but I became profitable, give or take, after like just under 2 years. And I don't eat, first of all, I don't even like junk food. I'm a very healthy person, but it's just discipline, man. It's discipline. Like, I'm on meal plan now, and I've been on meal plan for like 11 weeks. So I've eaten the exact same thing every single day, minus cheat days. The exact same thing every single day for the past 11 weeks. And when you find a meal plan, it becomes easy. Like, it's, you know, I don't know. I don't like junk food. I don't really like it. I don't really like it, personally. Put your loving hand out, baby. All right, let's check render. Let us check render, Glenda. Convict. And you know we are from. I think right now render. So we're just ranging, but it's not really looking that strong to me. I would actually want render to come into this range-based order block, get that structure flip, and take this low. If I could freaking draw the low. I think that's what I would want to see for render. And I mean, render is similar to all your other altcoins, has that liquidity that, excuse me, that we can come and grab, and we are technically getting hidden bullish divergences. But I'm just not really convinced with this break. Like, we didn't really have that follow through. We're getting SFPs. We know that volume across the board has been ass, right? Like, volume has been ass across the board. And yeah, man, volume, like, there's just no volume ever since the halving shit has been shitty. And so for render, I mean, I don't know how this coin moves. I don't know its personality, but I think in the more macro of it, I would actually like to see it come down. I would like to see something like this. Let's come on like the 8 hour. I would want to see this. Like, maybe we find a bottom here for like a couple weeks or a week, and then we do this. I would want to see that divergence there for render. Aside from that, I don't really have anything else to say. I don't think it looks that strong at all. But again, things are going to follow Bitcoin. I can't say that enough, right? Can't really say that enough. But I mean, like, just in terms of structure alone, even, you don't even need to go that high a time frame. It just doesn't look that good. Right? We had like SFP and then SFP. So I think it really depends on what happens at this low here. Right? So currently we're SFPing it. So if we actually get that confirmed SFP, then we might have some legs to the upside. But again, it's going to depend on Bitcoin. It's going to solely depend on Bitcoin. Geo secretly is an oil prince in Dubai. Yeah. Hey, bro, just got back to the stream. Welcome back. Sit on your hands. Best trades. Geo ate all the fruits in the jungle. Yeah. Hey, bro, just got back to the screen. Baha, those two very random questions. Lol, that totally made me. Lol, how you read. Now to your question. Did I get any of those VIP trades? You mean from this morning? I don't know if you mean this morning. From this morning. But, I mean, technically, we never hit this yet. So, we're going to see. I am going to be looking for a trade off of this. And right now, this order block, I mean, is not really looking too strong. So, we'll see what happens. We could get this. We could get something like this here. Where we have, you know, you have a 3 tap, but they give you one more. Into that order block. You might get that. I don't know. But I am long right now. I did long right now. My stop is at the entry. So, I already took profit. And I'm actually close to getting stopped out. But I'm like just in and out scalping. I want to take a risk and buy Sol. I believe it will bounce to at least 145. For spot buys, I mean, if you're spot buying, I don't see why not. Right? We are in a giga spot buy zone. Funny enough. But yeah, I mean, on spot, I don't think it's that bad on spot. But again, if shit starts looking down, Solana's gonna die. So if we get bullish on ETH BTC, ETH is more likely to pump than Bitcoin. Correct. Keep in mind, guys, like Bitcoin already hit its all-time high and then hit its all-time high 10,000 times after that. Like, Bitcoin already had its move. We need to be paying attention to excuse me, we need to be paying attention to Ethereum. Because Ethereum hasn't really had that same like Riz, I guess, that Bitcoin had. Can I look at Tony Stark? Alright, let's check Stark. This looks like shit. Tell you that already. Okay, so this coin has only been out for 2 months. I can't really do proper full TA on it. Aside from like looking at structure, but I will tell you this. As of right now, what I would want to see, because this was such a big wick, is for this wick to go. I would want to see that wick taken. Let me take you dancing. Yeah, I would definitely 100% want to see that low taken. And then I would want to see, I wouldn't do anything on this coin until this goes. And then let's say you get this. I would want to see a structure flip. Let's say you get this. Like that. Then I would say, okay, you could maybe long it up to here. Maybe long it up to these highs. Remember, all the coins kind of look the same. But, yeah. I would want to see the low go. And there isn't enough data for me to do like proper TA on. You're literally just going sideways, right? If I pull my fixed volume. Yeah, I mean, you lost value area low. No matter how you draw it, you lost your value area low. So you might get a retest of the value area low. It actually looks like we just did. Yeah, we got the retest of the VAL. And then I would want to see us lose that low before even considering anything else. And then you could long it depending on how your structure looks to potentially your value area low. You know, take profits at these highs and then these highs to your value area high. But aside from that, unfortunately, there isn't enough data for me to like properly analyze because this coin's only been up for like 3 months. You could trade this zone of it, right? You could trade here. So like, you know, this 4-hour order block was mitigated. We have nothing on the lows. Literally nothing until that low is gone. So I wouldn't even bother. Yeah. I wouldn't even bother. There's nothing else. There's no longs until the low is gone. And the short, you missed it. So I would just wait for the low to go. Personally. Miss the VIP code. I don't, man. I don't. You know what I had to do every time for the VIP code, man? I had to manually purge everybody and like the bot, my MacBook stayed awake for like 8 months straight. I couldn't close the lid. If I closed the lid, then the program like GeoBot would go to sleep. Dude, it was the worst, man. Fuck the bot. Or years. Yeah, you could be stuck for yours. Yeah, man. The code was oof, oof, oof. Bought 3 boot camps. Need to buy a Market Cipher boot camp. Great content. I'm not confused anymore. Shout out to Victor, man. Shout out to Croatia. I'm glad you like it, bro. Market Cipher, full disclosure, is the hardest one, man. Market Cipher is the hardest one. It's mad confusing. Ondo. In theory, if I take the inflation since the BTC all-time high last run, you did not hit all-time high yet? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I just work here. Body on my innocence and body on my... Guys, do me a solid. Smash the like button if you like the content. We have 150 people in here, only 68 likes, which means about 80 of you don't have fingers or eyes or don't like me. No, I can't control it. I can't control it. Gold and silver. Man, listen, I'm under the camp, and I've been saying this for months. I think everything is overinflated. Everything. I think everything across the board needs to come down. Can't you? Why can't you? Just let me go. Physical. All right, let's talk about this Ondu. Midget gated, yeah. Yeah, literally. That order block is midget gated. All right. So we got a range going on, right? We got a nice little range going on here. Okay, nice little range. All I can control. Okay, this is similar, like, in a sense that this coin's only been out for a couple months, so it's not the easiest thing to trade. I'll tell you that. But I will also tell you that we do have a order block with okay, we have these vector candles on the lows that we can come and tackle, and we have a nice 18-hour order block that actually swept liquidity. So for right now, I think I would want to see this low get taken. Right, we do have this liquidity above us that we could come to, but we would need to see strong a higher time frame market structure flip, in essence. Okay, and to be honest, like, look, I definitely don't scalp alts, and if I was trading this, like, you got to also note this thing is wicking all over the place. Okay, we have wicks literally everywhere, so be careful here. It's not the best looking thing. Let's get some volume. Let's check what how the volume's looking. Okay, we're at the range value area low right now. If we pull it from here, yeah, I mean, if we don't hold this area right now, then I think we could come much, much lower. I don't really know, man. This one is kind of a hard one. Okay, look, we're in the golden pocket 786. For me to be confident, not confident, but more confident getting into position here, I would want to see the low go. I would want to see this guy go. So remember, it's very important for you to understand what your alts are doing relative to Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin decides to, for example, come down and take this 10-minute order block, or come down and take this green line, which is what I'm hoping for, then your undo or whatever is likely going to come and do the same thing. So I would want to see that low go. If you're looking to buy this thing or trade this thing, I wouldn't do it personally for me prior to this low going at 6891. I would want to see that go, because we have lack of follow through here. But really, I mean, we got wicks everywhere, so it's not really good in either direction. I don't know. I would stay away from this. I don't really like the price action, and it's very like, it's a very young asset in general, and it's very wicky, so it's kind of hard. Thanks, bro. Mitigated. Yeah, so it was $12 a year ago. I know. GeoBot was the real Geo. We've been edging 59K. We have been edging 59K. We've been edging. Like and subscribe, y'all. Yo. What's up, Bitcoin Bear? Can Americans still use MEXC? Not until, like, only until June 30th, I believe. Only until June 30th. And by the way, guys, we're going to be moving to probably Blowfin. Oh, my screen just went black. I don't know why. We're probably going to be moving to Blowfin. I already have an affiliate link and everything set up. I'm just testing it. You gel your TA well. Oh, I do my all-rounder. You are. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. What's good, G? Thanks for charting the other day on Pendle. No worries. Took a long on Bitcoin today at 660, 600. Hopefully when we move, keep bumping hard. Keep up the hard work. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I was watching Pendle, actually. I kept my eye on it, and for a moment here, we actually did get that market structure flip. But I was watching. I was getting alerts all the time. Wait, did we get that structure flip? Yeah, we did. Right? So you had a little trade there. I wanted to come and take this liquidity. The market just wanted lower. It is what it is. But, yeah, I mean, yeah. I got you, though, bro. Candles don't lie. Says think we come lower. I think so, too, bro. I think so, too. Sergio, I don't think everything is overpriced. I think it's establishing a new value. All about purchasing power. I mean, maybe, but look, I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. Like, I just trade, man. I don't know about the global, like, economic state, and, you know, I don't know about any of that stuff. I just know how price gets from A to B. Can I check bit.d? Bit.d? Oh, by the way, I'm sorry. I missed the comment. I'm not going to miss you 2 times in a row, man. Shouts out to Dr. J. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you very much for the donation, man. It's a pleasure working with you, my friend. Thank you. Yo, people in here, if you are not in the VIP, think about this. Look at what he does for free every week, multiple times a week for total strangers. TA, when requested, answers your stupid questions. Now take that and multiply it by 100. Daddy Geo basically raised us like his own. He's very present in the Discord. VIP streams, Q&As, constant scalp updates all day. Yeah, man, I give updates as much as I can. I do what I can for you guys. I do what I can. So I appreciate it. Thank you very much, Josh. Blowfin blows. Man, look, I'll tell you this. I'm trying it now. Like, I'm testing it now. I'll tell you this. So far, it is not Mech C. That is my first impression on it. So far, Blowfin is not Mech C. I will say that. I will say that. So far, it ain't Mech C. All right, Bitcoin is doing a good job right now of holding this order block. Let's see what happens here. Huge dip on the 1 hour. Yep. Really like Blowfin. No, I didn't get the Palau ID. I appreciate you, Josh. Thank you, man. I should get the Palau ID. My worry, I'll tell you my worry. I don't want to get it and then they like remove it. Like they don't allow you to KYC with it anymore. Now I know why the price bounces from random places rather than fib levels. That was because the order block. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. People think that fibs and stuff, man, smart money, baby. Smart money. Smart money is the way. Sometimes your fibs are Mickey Mouse. I know the fees are bad. I know. Have I tried Fair Desk? No, I have not. We're in a global bubble and we'll see declining markets someday. Yeah, they can hold for a very long time. I agree with Mark. My stop loss, which was small, was more than your market fee. Hyperliquid. He's trying to get them to talk the fees down. Even if he does, so I'm in talks with getting the fees down as well. I actually do have a special rate. I think my rate is close to 0.035 is what I got out of them. Blowfin. Yo, that was my first impression too. I'm like, yo, how gay is it to say, yeah, I trade on Blowfin? That was literally my first impression. It takes 3 weeks. I know. Just KYC and easy. I probably should, man. I probably should. Thanks for the content, by the way. I found you from Jay's channel. Thank you very much for being here, Kenny. Appreciate you being here, brother. Shouts out to Victor. Thank you very much for the 66-cent euro donation. Worth more than my shitty Canadian dollar. So thank you very much, Victor. And I see the comments, bro. I appreciate all the love, my friend. Appreciate you, my boy. Thank you. All right, I want to see if we can get into a scalp trade, man. Let's get some scalps going. We're in this, let's hop on my sexy 15-second time frame. So we up right now, well, we young right now. All right. Gio, add everyone in your Discord channel asking if anyone in there has the Palau ID. I also work. Yeah, I think a couple of people do. And I'll ask the people though. Does it take 2 to 3 months? That's ass. I should do it. Fib schmib. Yeah. Get done. What do you mean my screen is stuck? Is it? Oh, that's ass. Why? I didn't even change the screen. And I know you need to get done, and the work come over. Okay, are we better now? And I know you need... What is SPX role in BTC price movement? Typically, when your S&P falls and dies, Bitcoin will follow. Dude, AMC, man. You guys know how much AMC I have? Before I knew how to trade, I have so much AMC. Shit's ass. It's going to 0. In the VIP YouTube, it was it? I'm sorry, man. I didn't realize. No time to have you lurking. Yeah, I have a VIP YouTube that I like. So in my VIP section, I do live streams and I record those live streams and I upload them to my VIP YouTube, like for my VIP members. Kenny, you're waiting for it to come in the mail. Okay, listen, do me a solid if you don't mind. When it does come in the mail for you, you know, let us know. Not how it goes, but like let us know if they block it or whatever. If and when they block it. I love you like a fat kid love cake. Made 200K on GME. Let's go. No, I never traded stocks. I just bought it when I didn't know what I was doing. And I bought a lot of it. Now, mind you, it did like stock splits and stock like unsplit or whatever it's called. But my average, I can't even tell you where my average buy is, man. I literally can't even tell you. Let me see if I can tell you where my average buy is. Like, you guys don't even, it's so bad, dude. I'm down like 95% on this. VI Pickles, yes sir. My VI peeps. All right, let me see if I can find my entry for AMC. Man, it's ass. It's actually so bad. Let's see. Okay, I have 370 shares. I lied. 370. Okay, I basically have 400 shares. Basically. And on one of them, I'm down 98%. I'm down. Oh my god, this is so bad. Where's my average? Average cost? Guys, look at this. Market value, $62. Okay. Market value, $62. Current price is $3. Average cost, $137. I'm down 98% on AMC. That's just one AMC account. Hold on. Next account. Average cost, $11. And current price is $3. Down 63%. This is before I knew what I was doing. And then next one, average oh no, that's TD. Those are my TD shares. That's my AMC. Rinsed, bro. Rinsed. Oh really? You've been using Palau on Binance? I've never used Binance actually. You know what? Maybe I'll get it. I will get it. Yeah, there is a bullish case. For what? For Bitcoin? Yeah. If we take the low on Bitcoin or for AMC, are you referring to? Bitcoin or AMC? For Bitcoin, here, and this is catching a knife, either here or taking the low. Preferably taking the low. For AMC, I have no idea, man. I just work here. For AMC, I do not know. This month, crypto's looking like a horror movie, bleeding straight. You know what? Slide ace? Not really. Like, we're not really bleeding. Like, we're just ranging. Bitcoin hasn't even started its dump. Hasn't even begun it. People are too bullish in general, in my opinion. Is the benefit of the Palau ID what I think it is? Does it really keep that Justin creep out of your pockets? No, it doesn't. But it allows you to trade. That's literally it. It's, I think, well, at least to my knowledge, it just allows you to, you know, the restricted area thing. I need you to incorporate options. I know, dude. I actually want to start trading options, but number one, I don't know how, and number two, I guess it's just I don't know how. Don't know why I said, dude, I was about to say something else. All good. Dude, 59k is the next support? Yeah. I mean, it's not even really support. There's no support there. It's just your SFP level. You got a little baby support here. Baby support at 57.6. Oh, you have to submit to the US ID? Well, I'm in Canada, so I don't know. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know if I want to do that. We'll see. I'm going to play it by ear. Guys, the number one rule on market Cipher is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. The 10-minute time frame looks abysmal. Abysmal. Absolutely abysmal. Yeah, I have a Bing X account as well. Man, the problem is that MEXC, like, no one can compete with MEXC's fees. That's the problem. That is the problem. Yeah, man, the likes are giving us some bearish divergences. Hurting my feelings. Stop fighting any country valid ID. Scalping strategies? You know, I actually haven't made, I don't know if I made a scalping video before. Maybe I will. AMC is a hopeless case. Bro, I know, man. I bought this years ago. I actually bought it years ago, and then I bought more, like, of a little bit ago, but I didn't watch it. So, okay, you know, because I have, like, 2 different accounts, right? So I ended up buying... I'll show you exactly where I bought. Here. So this is what happened, okay? I bought I bought years ago, way up here, okay? And then I bought here. I bought AMC right here. Just an aggressive market Cipher entry back in September. And I was in good profit. Didn't take profit. I didn't even watch it. I just bought it. And then... This is what I want. My best case scenario is boom SFP, boom maybe SFP, all-time high SFP, And then I think it's going to be a cold summer, baby. I think it's going to be a cold summer. I think it's going to be blood on the streets. I think we're going down to 40K. I think we're so overextended. Oh, girl, for goodness sake. Crying on my own, well, I ain't. But I will look for a little scalp here. In this box, if we get it. So my next question, do people avoid KYC so they can just VPN and use... No, they avoid KYC because they don't want the government to know what they're doing. Oh, HODL's the worst advice literally ever. Yo, I think we could go way lower than 40K. Like, Chase Smith is saying lol 40K. I think we could go way lower than 40. Way lower. I think we can go to 25. Truly, I think we can go to 25. Are we going to? No. But can we? Yes, we can. You can't say you can't. No one is allowed to say you can't do something. They said you can't hit an all-time high before the halving, and we did. BitBoy said Bitcoin will never go below 47K again, and it went to 15K. For all the time that you rated my friend, the only problem was with you and nothing. You told me my opinion was wrong. Was I a fool to make it where I came from? Anyone thinking I still care, I don't, but you still hit my phone up. Wait, do you pay taxes? Yeah, you're supposed to. Maybe you should know that. Imagine alts. I know, bro. I'm the only one that's saying alts can make new lows. I'm the only one. Me and Benjamin Cohen. Only one. Everyone else is saying buy the dip, buy the dip. The worst thing I hate is when people say did you buy the dip? They go on Twitter and they go, did you buy the dip? That's the worst sentence. You know why? Because it's past tense. Like, it's implying that the dip is over. Did you buy the dip? As if it's over. Stupid. Justin Bieber is in the chat. Ba-da-ba. Yo, was this song about Selena, bro? Can you tell us, like, what happened with that? Like, would you get mad if I DM'd her, bro? Just kidding. She got fat. Ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba. Carl from the Moon said he would delete his Twitter account if ETH wouldn't hit 10K, and that was 2.5. Yeah, I believe as well. Or no, what am I saying? I believe. Or I believe that. Yeah, there will be blood on the streets, man. Listen, the whole narrative across the board is buy the dip, ETFs, inflows, supply shock. And I've said this before. Where's the supply shock? Where? Because if I want to buy right now, I'm not like, oh my god, I just press a button and it's filled in 1 second. Where's the supply shock? Supply shock implies that people aren't selling. Hello? People are selling. Why does my arm not be part of the screen? Look, I have no arms. Oh, now I do. In order for somebody to buy, somebody has to sell. So yes, people are selling. Yes, there's surprise. Supply shock. Where's the supply shock? Supply shock is when I want to buy a new iPhone and they tell me we're out of stock. We didn't account for enough like distribution, enough production of the phones. That's a supply shock. No one has any. You know how much freaking Bitcoin is out there that people have? And you think that people aren't gonna sell when they get scared? Come on, man. People are so stupid. Supply shock. Shock this. Like, supply shock. 73K could be the high of the cycle. Listen, I think I don't even think we're going to hit 100K. I don't think we're going to hit 100K. I could be wrong. And the truth is there's no way to know whether we're going to hit 100K or not. But that's it. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. Bull divs out the ass. Listen, I'm gonna pause the music because I'm gonna speak to you directly, Kenny, right now. And I tweeted this. You can even go look for it. The entire move to the upside, Bitcoin ignored the bear divs. The whole move up. And you can go check my Twitter. I tweeted, Bitcoin ignored all the divs on the whole move up, and it's going to ignore all the bull divs on the way down. Just wait. You heard it here first. I've tried so hard and got so far. Shouts out to Crypto Face, who's live right now. Shout out to Market Cipher, the sponsor of the channel, which, by the way, guys, if you are looking to purchase Market Cipher and you do not know, I have a affiliate link. The link is in the description down below. And if you use trader code, if you discount code TraderGeo, you can get 20% off. And if you purchase it for life, you get 1 year free of my VIP. If you purchase it for 1 year, then you get 1 month free of my VIP. True story. All right. I don't really know this song, but we're going to give it a shot. We're going to give it a shot for you, boy. When I say I don't know it, I mean I don't know how to sing it. One thing, they all know how. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. And I can make you tight fist and I can crumble ridiculous, or I can smack the world with New York nemesis. That's not right, but it's okay. Solid. Yeah, I don't know if I can. I tried so. But in the end, yeah, it's also not in the slightest my key. I'm sorry, bro. Let's see if we can get a cool one of this. Let's do this. All right, let's try this. Even get into a scalp trade, man. If it's gonna be like, yo, this is the place, man. It's right now. We gotta break this structure on the 15-second time frame. Scalp in the 15-second time frame. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I want to do a giveaway this time. So here's what we're gonna do, okay? I actually like that we don't really have that many people in here today. It's kind of nice. I kind of like it being a little bit intimate. But we still hit our goal of 100 likes. So we're gonna do the giveaway for one of my boot camps, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna all go to my last video, and we're going to comment on this video, okay? I don't care what you comment. Doesn't matter. Don't matter to me. Go drop a comment and put any emoji of any random animal, okay? I don't care what the emoji is. A chicken, a dog, a porcupine, a dove, a whale, whatever it is. I don't care. And we're gonna do the giveaway here in just 2 minutes, all right? Well, and then I'm gonna go. Sound good? Let's go do that. And make sure you like the video while you're there. Go, go! I can sing from Queen. You want me to transition to Queen? Okay, we'll transition. Let's go. Don't Stop Me. Don't stop me now. This is hard, though. This is high. Ow. I hurt my jaw or something. All right. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I want to make a supersonic. It gets muted later. It's not supposed to get muted now. These motherfuckers. Did they mute it? Is it muted? Please don't tell me that it's muted. Anyways, let's do our giveaway, man.